Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my 6th update for my whole collection Project Pan. I'm off my rhythm with this project, so I apologize. However, I do have an empty, and I bet you can guess what it is. I hope you can, because I've been working on it so hard, and I'm so happy I finally met my goal on it. So we will be rolling in one new product at the end of today's video. This project was created by Becky from Becky Loves Kanga, so thank you, Becky, for creating this fun and challenging project. This is the project where we randomize 10 products from our collections to work on, and we have no idea what they're going to be. I do have a limitation on eyeshadows, as well as only 2 of a product category to have in here, because hypothetically, you could pull in 10 random blushes to be panning, which would be a terrible idea. So let's just hop right into my update. I can't wait. I need to share with you my pan on the MAC single in charcoal brown. It is the teeniest little pan, but as soon as I hit it, I set this aside because I couldn't stand looking at it any longer. This took 60 uses. 60. Oh, it took me so long, but I'm so happy to be finally done with this. Goodbye. I'm just going to go in the order that the products are here, and to make things a little more streamlined, I saw Laura do this from Laura Force, and she includes the uses from the last update and total uses up in the corner over here, and I would like to do that because some of these have usage goals, and instead of me sitting here counting tallies, they're up there if you would like to know. This is the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. I actually made pretty good progress since last time, and I think I can have this done in another 2 months. That would be really amazing if I could have this be an empty, because that is my goal. This was brand new at the beginning of the year, and I have been working on it. Peel off masks just aren't my favorite, but happy to be working on this and having it be almost finished. Next up is my ColourPop Creme Gel Liner in the shade Mr. Bing. I actually haven't held this up to my paper yet. Oh, I've actually made pretty decent progress. I did use this 5 times, which is quite a lot for me, considering how little I've been doing my makeup, but this has paired really well with the looks I'm doing with my ABH Modern Renaissance palette, which is in my Graveyard Project pan. So I have been getting really good use on this, and it's getting pretty close to being finished. I don't remember the last time I finished an eyeliner, so that would be so amazing. With this hairspray, my goal is to use this 30 times within this project, and I haven't quite met that goal. Again, up in the corner I will have my total uses, but I have been using this more often lately as my hair has been growing back. I talked a few updates ago about how I've been struggling with postpartum hair loss. I still am losing hair, but it is also growing back, and I was feeling really self-conscious about doing anything with my hair. But I started again trying to do a little something like a braid here and there, and to use my hairspray. So hopefully in a couple months I can be done with this. I can actually feel a difference in where this product is now, like maybe down to here, which is exciting. Eventually I want that to be out of my collection, but it's not going anywhere anytime soon. Another product with a usage goal I haven't quite met is my Milani Baked Blush in the shade Berry Amore. I kindly got this gifted to me from CaliFab here on YouTube, and at first I thought like, oh, this is a pretty dark shade, and it is, but I've been more and more into blushes. I actually have it on today, and I really love this color. I've always loved Luminoso from this line, but that's also more light and more geared towards my fair skin. But with my tan and fall looks, this is absolutely stunning. Again, my goal is 30 uses because there's no way I can hit pan. Ow! Can't even really see a swatch of it there. It's like a nice berry shade. I could never hit pan on any kind of blush, let alone this domed baked blush. However, I'm having a really fun time using this product and will continue to use it more. I think this fall and winter I'll get a ton of use out of this. My ABH Brow Whiz I only used one time, which was today, because I'm working on another brow product and having just hit pan on the MAC eyeshadow, which I was using for that purpose. I wanted to focus on a brow product that was in another project, but I will try to do better at balancing using the two of them, as I do have quite a lot of product left in this one, but less in the other one. So I'm torn on which, if I should just focus on the other to get it out. Like, this just keeps going and going. I'm gonna break it. I will measure and pop the picture in on the screen. I really do like this brow product and I'm happy to be using it. I think it looks really good in my eyebrows. Two lip products that were pulled in my refresh last update. First is the ColourPop Lippie Stix in the shade Frida. My goal is to use this 30 times and no, 20 times, which is a challenge, especially since I should have been wearing this all summer, but I hadn't been wearing very much makeup. So I still have a lot of uses to go on this. I should try this as a cream blush. I don't really think it's going to work that great for that purpose, but otherwise I don't know if I'm ever going to meet my goal on this shade now that we're into fall makeup. The lip I'm wearing today, which I really do enjoy and I love it as this in this transitional time between summer and fall, is the ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip in collaboration with Kathleen Lights in the shade Dreamy. I should swatch these. So Frida was actually in collaboration with Coffee Break with Danny many years ago and is a very vibrant peachy shade. And then I know you can see this on my lips right now, but I'll swatch it anyways. Both are very, shall I say, like bold colors. This one is Dreamy. My goal is to use each of them 20 times. I've got a long way to go. I rolled in the Hikari eyeliner in Raven. I only used this one time because I'm focusing so much on the Mr. Bing eyeliner and I've just been enjoying a softer eyeliner look. This is a very deep, creamy black shade and my goal will be to finish this as well, which I think will be doable when I'm doing more smoky type of looks. And lastly, this is pulled in a second time. I already worked on this earlier this year and I had a usage goal, so I set another usage goal but with more uses. I want to use this 15 times before rolling it out again. I've been really enjoying masking. My skin has been going through it, especially with maskne right here, and I just enjoyed doing some more masks and trying to take better care of my skin. I've always done my skincare routine, but obviously something is going on because especially on this side of my face, my skin is so broken out. That's besides the point. I'm really enjoying using this again. I haven't been measuring it because it just goes on forever and I'm scared I'm going to drop it on the floor. But yeah, I've been really enjoying this Makeup Cannabis Hydrating Face Mask. It's a really nice experience to use it. And I think I'll get even more use out of it as the weather gets colder and colder. So maybe I'll have to focus my attention more so on my Wander Beauty mask. Because I think my skin won't like this so much once it's really dry. I'm losing my voice. Now for the extra exciting part, which is to choose a new product. So I haven't taken out the categories that I don't want to be working on right now, so we might have to roll a couple of times. Sorry about that, my battery died and now I feel like you're a little crooked. Sorry. I have in my numbers 2 to 565. I don't have like my spreadsheet completely sorted through, so we might have to roll a few times. Let's just see, 539. Nope, that is an eyeshadow. 46. Is a brow product that I'm already working on. That is a liquid lipstick, and I'm already working on 2 lipsticks in this project. I probably should have sorted this spreadsheet a little better. Okay, this I'm actually really excited to work on. 337 is, okay, so that number corresponded to my Touch in Sol No Problem Prime Essence. I really enjoy using this in the fall and winter time, so I'm excited to work on it. I will have to shine a light through it because there's a big air bubble. I can't really tell where it is, but it's pretty high. My goal will be to finish this off, I guess. I'm really happy with this product. In terms of what products I think I can have finished for next time, I'm not really sure I can have any of them finished for the next update. So we'll just have to see. Let me know if you think I can finish anything by the next update. I always enjoy seeing that in the comments to push me to complete something. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up so that I know, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!